Ashama and welcome back to another round of Kaku Presents Afan Oromo lessons. Today's lesson will be centered upon the different professions we find in society and their respective translations in Afan Oromo. Maka ogummaawwan adda adda, names of different professions. Before we begin, it must be noted that most of the professions have male and female variants, while some are gender neutral and others have different names for the same profession. We will review each example carefully below. Ogessa Herrega for a male accountant, or Ogetti Herrega for a female accountant. Ta'a for an actor, and Taatu for an actress. Ogessa Ijarsa for a male architect, and Ogetti Ijarsa for a female architect. Artisti, artist. Abba Alanga, Attorney General. Konkolachisa for a male car driver, and Konkolachistu for a female car driver. Durata'a refers to a male director, while Duratesu is a female director. Doctora is a gender-neutral term for doctor. Ogessa Dinagde is a male economist, while Ogetti Dinagde is a female economist. Engineer is a gender-neutral term for engineer. Qotebula, farmer. Ogessa Fayya is a male health worker or professional, while Ogetti Fayya is a female health worker or professional. Abba Sera or Abba Murti refers to a judge. Abukato is a gender-neutral term for lawyer. Hoggana is a male manager, while Hoggantu is a female manager. Daldala is a male merchant, while Daldaltu is a female merchant. Nursi is a gender-neutral term for nurse. Horsise Bula, pastoralist. Balalisa Tiyara is a male pilot, while Balalistu Tiyara is a female pilot. Folisi, police officer. Luba or Kesi refers to priest. Barresa is a male secretary or writer, while Barresitu is a female secretary or writer. A male singer is known as Farfata, while a female singer is known as Farfatu. A male teacher is known as Barsisa, while a female teacher is known as Barsistu. A waiter is called Kesumesisa, while a female waitress is called Kesumesistu. A male journalist is called Gazetessa, while a female journalist is called Gazetessitu. Namasiyasa is also a gender-neutral term for politician. Lola is a male soldier, while Loltu is a female soldier. Lenjisa is a male coach, while Lenjistu is a female coach. And lastly, Qaba Mallaka is a male cashier, while Qabdu Mallaka is a female cashier. Thank you once again for joining us for yet another round of Kaku Presents Afan Oromo lessons. If you have any comments or inquiries, write us an email at kakucollective@gmail.com, or you can also find us at Kaku Official on Telegram, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, and LinkedIn.